Hey guys, see what we bring here today, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class 320. So today we take a body kit here and make the upgrade. So this kit need to change the front bumper, grille, rear bumper, side skirt and the wheels. So I will introduce to you later. So let's see the bumper and the grille first. As you can see, this bumper, we make this special mesh and the chrome here. These parts also can make a chrome and the black color. So you check what you need. We can make all what you want. And the low lip parking sensor also have here. And this is complete bumpers. And let's see this grille. It's full chrome with very nice on sashes. Okay, front bumper, grille. Okay, let's see the rear bumper there. Okay, so here is the complete rear bumper. As we can see, we also make the original chrome parts as the brown colors because the customer really like this one. Okay, and you see the muffler and the exhaust tip for the download. And here is the reflector and the hook cover. Okay, and as you see here is the rear bumper LEDs. Here and the low lip. So this is a complete rear bumper. You can see all parts here. The rear light is no need to change. It's just the rear bumpers. Okay, and at last here we have two operation parts: the side skirts and the wheel. So the side, you can see the side skirts have the chrome parts on it because some low version cars no have. So if you want, you can also make the change. And the wheel, we also make the brown color in it with the very different type. So if you really like these two parts, you can buy together with the body kit. Okay, so all parts here from bumper, rear bumper, grille, and the operation parts, side skirts, and the wheels. So if you're interested in it, just contact us. Thanks.